We've got to stop chasing shiny objects. We've got to stop focusing all of our time and efforts on things that are not going to get you results. This is going to be a very honest video, and I really am not trying to call out any one person there, that's on YouTube or anything like that. It's really that I'm just trying to help you, the viewer. If you are typing in how to make money online on YouTube, you probably have gone on this giant roller coaster ride, whether it's the last few months or few years or even more than that. In a lot of cases, it can be, I got an email from someone in my business that they've been trying to make this online thing, make money from their home for 14 years. And they're a single parent, and they're still on this journey of trying to make money online after 14 years. And so that is the truth of the people that are watching these videos are those people, but they're also new people. And I want to show you that, like, if we type in make money online, you're going to get all these different things, 42 lazy websites to make money online. You're not going to make $180 an hour with one of these websites, right? This is just a massive video that has extremely awesome video editing and an influencer. This person is influencing you to go out and make money. But I want to show you something that is the trend with most of these videos. Now, before I do that, just one more time, I'm not trying to call anybody out. Obviously, these people are way more successful at YouTube because they're doing it in a certain way. It's very, very salesy, clickbaity titles that very much capture peak interest from the masses, right? From most people will be interested. So if we scroll down here, for example, wouldn't you want to make $75 every 30 minutes typing CAPTCHAs, make money online? Notice some things right over here. So make money online is in the title right there. Make money online is in the title right there. This person is trying to rank their video for make money online, which pays a ton of money in ad revenue on YouTube. What we're talking about is over $15 RPMs. That's money in the YouTuber's pocket after YouTube takes their cut. And we're talking about up to $15, right? So right here, they just posted this 3 hours ago. They've already made probably $20 to $30 in just the 3 hours that they posted this video. And by the time, we'll go and look at this, I'm going to push pause. I did look at and listen to some of it to get the gist of what they are trying to get you to do. But I'm going to go and look at this guy. Maybe some of you are subscribed to Ryan's channel. That's great. This isn't what I teach, to go and type CAPTCHAs in, because I don't believe that you're going to be happy doing that. You're never going to build a real online business doing that, right? So this is just to build hype. And really the money is in making the money off of the actual concept and title, but not the actual method, right? Does that make sense to you? The method of what they're teaching you is actually not realistic to make you any money at all. Believe me, when I got started off, I tried to do surveys and tried to do all kinds of different things, and you don't make money from that. It ends up being the biggest headache on earth to try to, you're spending hours a day on that, and then you end up making just a few bucks, and you're never going to get ahead. You're definitely not going to be quitting your job anytime soon with these types of tactics that they're teaching you. Look, this is a monetized channel. This video is monetized. That means that he's making bank from posting this video to you. But I'm going to go ahead and just look at this, right? This was posted just 3 hours ago. It already has 265 likes, which is probably not, that's not that realistic. 265 likes for a video that only has 1.6 thousand views on it. And then we can come down here, learn how I make $400K a year from YouTube automation. So this person is making their money with YouTube automation. You're not going to be making money with typing in CAPTCHAs. You're not going to make $75 every 30 minutes. Let's do some math on that, right? So if you did that for 8 hours, let's have some fun here, guys. Okay, let's see if this is really realistic. So $75 every 30 minutes. So if we split up 8 hours, that would actually be 8 times 2, because there's two 30-minute segments inside of an hour. So you would take an 8-hour workday and you would multiply that by 2. So you would have 16 times 75. So he's telling us that we can type CAPTCHAs in on the internet and make $1,200 per day. So we take this $1,200 and then we multiply that by times, let's just say we work 20 days a month. So we're going to make $24,000, right? $24,000 per month typing in CAPTCHAs. That doesn't require a brain. It doesn't require you to even have typing skills. It doesn't require you to have a college education. It doesn't require probably you to even have a high school education. It's just simply not true, because we take the 24,000, we multiply that out by 12 months in the year. And by typing in CAPTCHAs, does he really think that we can make almost $300,000 per year? No, the answer is no. That's just not even possible. But it is a bunch of bull crap that you can go out and make this. But let me show you what the business plan is. And, it may sound like I'm hating on people, but I've been doing this for over 10 years, and I'm kind of tired of the videos that come out that are actually steering all of you in the wrong direction, right? They're basically right here. I'm going to put this on mute, and we can come through and we can push play. And we've got this nice video over here. We're going to come over here and look at CAPTCHAs, and you're going to easy job, easy money. You're going to sign up for this place over here. He's got, what is it? Was it like $1 in his account or something like that? I don't believe that he made $890 something, whatever you saw over there. That's going to be from somewhere else. I can show you screenshots and go log into my accounts right now. Like right now, I can show you, there's $200 in my PayPal account. Yep. Is it in my PayPal account? Yes, it is. I could block this part out, blur that out, and show you that. I could be completely dishonest if I wanted to. But we can keep coming through here and look at this stuff right over here. So now go sign up to Facebook groups. This is so 2012, right? To go and do affiliate marketing with Facebook groups, and you're going to get kicked out of the groups. People are not going to click on your post and give you money based on, making money on with CAPTCHAs. At least I don't believe in it, right? And so you just keep scrolling through here. And then at the very end, he's got a pitch to click the link below, and that's going to take you to his cash flow channels right over here. So you can go, and this is where he's making his money on his YouTube automation channels, and then all the massive money that he probably makes with the services that he is providing with building you a real online business and a real online asset, right? This is the kind of stuff that would make you money, or will make you money, building YouTube channels. Well, he's selling you that service. It's probably a big ticket service. And then he has several YouTube channels, including the one that he is on right here, where he has almost 541,000 subscribers. He is making a lot of money off of this YouTube channel right here. If we take this right over here and we go over to Social Blade, and we can find this out right here. So this is usually in this niche, right? Because it's in the Make Money Online niche, and that's the channel. So I know what the CPMs are and the RPMs. So he's probably making about $15 to $20 RPM, CPM right here. So basically means that this is incorrect. It's probably 4 times that. So this guy on this channel, from just YouTube ads alone, right? That if you don't know what YouTube ads is, I'm going to go and explain that part to you real quick. If we come into my channel over here, right, I'm revamping this channel, creating content right now, but you can see I'm not making, this is the estimated revenue right here, $74 in the last 30 days on this channel. I've had this up to about $500 before when I was getting some really good views. You can see that, views are only at less than 6,000 for the last 30 days, but we are really trending up because I hadn't posted to this YouTube channel in a really long time. And that proves too that YouTube channels eventually will die out. And that is a fact. But nonetheless, this YouTube ad revenue right here that YouTube just straight up pays you, AdSense pays you, That is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about when we come to Social Blade. This number right here means that he's making about $10,000 a month based on my analytics. And that would be about $120,000 per year just on ads. And that's not counting his awesome offer that he has on ClickFunnels right here, that he has this business right over here that could be making hundreds of thousands of dollars selling these services to you, or a course or whatever it is. Cool, good stuff. And I think that that is great. This guy is crushing it on YouTube. And that is what I'm trying to get to the point of teaching you, is that go out and crush it on YouTube, because that's what this guy is doing. He's making his money by crushing it on YouTube. So I wanted to get around to the main point, which is, because I'm not trying to call this guy out or make him look bad or anything. He's obviously doing way better than I am as well, but I'm really more about just addressing the elephant in the room. Are you going to go and make $75 every 30 minutes with this little CAPTCHA business? Absolutely not. And I believe that if I was interviewing Ryan right now and asked him, does he really believe that that's how people will build a business? No, that's not the way that I believe that he would say, yeah, they're probably not going to build a full-time income doing that. Okay. He probably would say that it's a method that people could get started making a few bucks here and there. And I'll give him that. That's cool. But what I focus on teaching is how to build your real long-term business online, an asset that you can be proud of, right? Also, like when we come over here, this is a little sketchy. All these massive comments coming in, like just comments galore. There's no way that this video would have this much comments on it. Some of them I've read through them and they look real, but like right here, this right here is a real comment. $1 per 1,000 captchas. How are you supposed to do 75,000 captchas in 30 minutes to make $75 every 30 minutes? Maybe there's a software you can use. Watch the whole video. You can get other people to do it, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to talk about outsourcing for $1. It's just crazy. I just don't promote these kind of offers. Okay. That's really what my point is. And then there's a lot of comments, and, I would expect a lot of comments on a channel that size, but, the wow, amazing, almost on every comment seems to me like those are purchased comments as well. Okay. So I hope that you understand this business concept. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you know what I do. I rank videos on YouTube. I'm an affiliate marketer, and I make thousands of dollars a month doing it on YouTube. I wanted to get to the point, or just get this across to you, that if you type in make money online, these guys right over here, Dave Nick, 770,000 subscribers, 42 lazy ways. Watch, we'll go to Dave Nick, we'll go to videos over here, and then we'll just look how he makes $200,000 a month. That's an interview. We can go and look, like right here, phone only, earn $500 a day as a beginner, right? So this guy's not making $500 a day. He's making $500 a day because he has a channel that has 770,000 subscribers on it, right? Look, this is the proof. The proof is in the pudding right here. Dave Nick has 623 videos on his channel, and he has 770,000 subscribers. He's monetized. He's making bank. We can go and we can take this right here and go to Social Blade. Again, you can reverse engineer this, right? This guy, Ryan Hildreth, making bank from his channel. And he has 1,307 videos uploaded, right? So we're going to come over here, we're going to push enter, and let's go see what Dave Nick has. So it's saying 3.7. So usually you take that and you multiply it by 4, and that's how much money he's making just from YouTube ad revenue. So they're making a 6-figure income just from YouTube ad revenue. And I can tell you right now, from my channels, I have 10,000 subscriber channels. The most I've ever made is probably $1,300 or $1,400 from AdSense in 1 month on one channel, which is pretty good for a pretty small channel. So you can only imagine how much money they are making when they have that many views. This is the business, guys. YouTube. This is how you make the money online. Follow my teachings. If you want to go and sign up, I'm giving a free webinar. It's 1 hour long. Everything that I'm doing is upfront and transparent. There is an offer in there, but you don't have to pick the offer. You don't have to choose the offer because I'm teaching you in all my YouTube videos what to do. And then also my webinar, you're going to learn a little bit more about me, my background, and the kind of story of how I went from being depressed and so forth to finally being able to quit my corporate director job 3 years ago to do this full time. And you're going to learn some of the secrets inside of that webinar. So go sign up. The link will be below. It takes you to a page right here. And I'm giving you realistic numbers, right? You can make $20, $30, $40, $50,000 a month. But I think that you can make $10,000 a month, which is a six-figure business, using free traffic on YouTube. I think I just showed you how Dave Nick is doing it and how Ryan Hildreth is doing it, and I can find dozens of more channels just like this to show you that that's how you make the money. And we can do this in 90 days. You can start actually making money now. I think that making $10,000 a month in 90 days is a stretch. It is very possible, but it is a stretch as well. But I do believe you can get your business to $1,000 or more per month using YouTube. Go and watch my training. All you have to do is just go to the page, click on the button and sign up, and you can watch it right away. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.